In this video, we took Mocha to one of the local parks. We're trying to get her used to different environments, such as stairs like this and benches like this. And as you can see, not so graceful. The training is going very well. She's acting civilized on a leash now, but still everything is new and she does get distracted. When she sees other dogs, she does get a bit overly excited, but not in an aggressive way, so that's definitely a relief. This 96-pound black lab was appropriately named Moose, and the blonde dog was named Christmas, not sure why. Both were friendly and playful, so it was a positive experience for her. This 120-pound St. Bernard was friendly, but she just didn't play. One thing we are trying to teach her is to keep her eye on the handler, which isn't very easy since she's not food motivated or praise motivated, and everything is a distraction. She only gets rewarded when she does what she's supposed to, whether it being a sit-stay or a down-stay. Wait for the treat. Wait for the treat. Try again. Very good.